around this hill to get you up on the very top. And it is not washed out. So it's already here.
Look how scenic this is here.
Now you see the view here. See the mountain? See the mountain? See the mountain? All right. When you get up on that hill, you're going to see mountains you can't see. There's all 160 from up there. And it's mountain. Birth to that horse last month. It was the same exact
Wait,
thing.
when you were delivering your baby, she was looking up at you as she was coming
Her
out?
eyes were wide open. She was looking right at me.
Was she smiling?
She recognized me. I know that.
As good as that one?
Better.
Okay, Rob, what do you know about cows?
I know everything. No, they're healthy.
Wait, tell us that again. The light one's name is what?
Oreo.
And the light one?
That's the light one. Oreo.
The dark one is yours. Oh, that hair was so pretty. I've never seen
They're
all
very
white
healthy.
cows.
Those are very healthy fat cows. And the poor girl that owns him, heartbroken. I saw him for the first time yesterday. I saw him get his horse. Here. I told you about the Kenny Farm.
Oh, that's a hippie farm.
Y'all are green over there, way over there. That would be Kenny Farm, part of it.
Okay, that's about a mile away.
About a mile away.
Oh my God, you saw it? So pretty here. I wish we were here like a month ago and saw all the trees.
I can't believe you do really have 360 views here.
I don't lie. I do not lie. I exaggerate some. But I wouldn't exaggerate here. All the way out to 151. It's a long damn way.
That fence line
That
is straight.
line, because that's the creek was the same line.
Wow.
With the masons and all the
Yes,
weird
that's
old-
what it is. The masons.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, well the simple idea is, this is the third eye. We all have two. Everybody really has three.
We have this one here.
That's the one that never opens. It can open and does for very few,
It's a chakra.
and it opens. Everybody gets a blink, it'll open and close,
Yeah.
and it sees all. Do you have it in you to be able to actually accept all? Or will all scare you too much? Because if it scares you too much, that eye will never open again. But if you can deal with it, it'll blink a few more times. Each time you get a little insight. And anyone with an open third eye can see anyone with an open third eye, but nobody else can. And it's for real.
I love that.
It is a real deal.
I believe you.
I got the third eye myself.
I believe you.
Okay, I know it's true.
You get mine to open.
You can't see it, can you? Yours have blinked.
I can feel it.
All you need is a blink to start.
I love that.
It opens. Boom.
And keep it open. Yours is open all the time?
No, it's closed right now. I don't need it.